The taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Victor Loop.
Bravo 11, Victor Loop, Cat 4690, good day. Right.
503, connect departure, good night.
Go to 503, yes, sir.
Delta 766 on Ronnie, runway right,
Take off on Emerald.
71682, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up way.
1682, line up and wave, runway right, keep right.
American 629, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up way.
Line up way 88 right, American 629.
Delta 1261, connect departure, good night.
1251, good day.
American 2596.
73301, give way to FedEx, that hotel. Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company Airbus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684, company November 2 is going to follow east.
Delta 2681.
Never 3514, Papa cross, went out left, go Lima, 175.
And Papa cross 5 left, 175, very much.
438, grab 2.5 miles, cross 1 out right, turn left on November. 790, turn left on November, all short Papa.
Left and order, short Papa, Delta 2012.
Departure, good night.
Good night, man. 4615 at time.
Turn 1 out left, go Lima, 0.75.
Cut across, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, the other side, Delta 2681.
Delta 1971, up Papa cross, 1 out left, go Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, Airline 271.
Delta 2438, at Papa cross, 1 out left, go Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 left, Papa, over 0.75, Delta 4438. Yeah, departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, good night.
Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Ronnie, runway right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 8 right, RNAV, Ronnie, 7557.
Southwest 5614, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up and wave.
8 right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614. Put it. Alright.
Delta 2338, taxi by the group.
Taxi goes blue, Delta 2038.
Connect departure, good night.
American 629, good day.
Calling 17 go to 8, runway 8 left, clear land.
Airline 8 left, Golden 15.
On November, hold
500.
And departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094.
400. Approaching minimums.
Flight 7557 on Abrani, runway right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, stay right, RNAV, run,
300 minimums.
14 on a runway right, line up away.
stay right, right up away, southwest 66. Right.
200.
23, 38, taxi by the taxi to Blue, so 13.
100. 50. 40. 30. Retard. 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 Retard.
On November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, crossing back right, and steering Charlie left on November, short of Papa, Delta 24. 48 right, clear for takeoff, southwest 14. 7503 on a runway, right, line up away. You're right, runway, runway.
That's on November behind Southwest.
Now we're going to recross.
Delta 766, RNAV Ronnie, runway right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV Ronnie, Delta 766.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up away.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Tower Delta 1705, Bernie for...
Delta 1705, line of tower, 1807, coming down the right, clear to land.
Clear to land, on right, Delta 1705.
Second on out the line, coming down with the mic, 2 clear for takeoff. So 1198, let it turn, and that was Mike 2 line up and wait. For delay for intro spacing, traffic will be down the field.
5130, Atlanta Tower, 1809, coming down the right.
American 649, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up away.
Runway 8 right, back 699.
Delta 1261, kind of departure, get out.
Delta 1251, good day. American 2596. 73301, give way to FedEx, that hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company Airbus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Endeavor 3514 at Papa Cross, going on the left, join Lima, 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, 3514.
438, traffic 2.5 out.
Left the door, hold short of Papa, Delta 9012. Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure good.
Good, I'm pushing 1897.
Turn one out left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Cut across, flight 9 left on Lima, 0.75, just 5, Delta 2664.
Delta 1971 at Papa, cross one out left, on Lima, 0.75.
Cross line to Papa, join Lima, 0.75, Airline 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa, cross one out left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Cross side left to Papa and over to 0.75, Delta 4438. Yeah, departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, good.
Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Airline, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 8 right, RNAV, Ronnie, 7557.
Southwest 5614 on runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614. For this. Alright. About 2338, taxi by the group. Taxi by the group, 2038.
Good night, departure, good night.
American 629, good day.
On 1708, runway 8 left, clear land. Clear line 8 left, Golden 15.
It's on November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, cross 9 right at Sierra Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2449. Full 8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503 on runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line wait, 05.
That's on November behind Southwest.
Romeo 3 cross 9.